Hello traders, hello everyone, and welcome to our new cryptocurrency video analysis where I will actually give you an update on Bitcoin. Now, a month back or so, if not more, we covered Bitcoin and we actually showed you two interpretations where both suggest that back then that we are going to see minimum free wave drop. We also highlighted that 40,000 level should be very important. 35 to 40,000 area should be very important if this bullish trend on Bitcoin is going to survive while the market is trading or holding this June support. And so far we have seen, as you know, very nice recovery away from 40,000, and looks like that this is an impulsive reaction on a smaller degree time frame chart. So for now it's still a little bit tricky to say if this is going to be higher degree impulse that will take us, let's say, towards 100,000, or is this going to be only a free wave rally back or close to these all-time highs? What is very important is that in either case, I think that there is room for more upside here within a current third leg of recovery. So even if there is a limited upside, I think that there is room for more upside. Now, wave C is motive wave. Wave 3 is impulsive wave. In both cases, you expect a 5 sub waves within this lag. So I'll look at the substructure for up from 40,000, and you can see here that let me just make this white. You can see here that we are in a very strong recovery. I actually posted some update after we have seen a move towards 50,000, and looks like that now we have a very nice support here around 53,000 down to 52,000. So that would be area where I would be looking for a next potential bounce if the market will keep consolidating while it's trading, let's say, here below 59,000. So the idea is actually that we are here seeing wave 1, you had a wave 2 pullback, nice extended wave 3, and now we could be dealing with a wave 4, which could be a little bit more complex. Maybe some will say that here, maybe some will say that this wave 4 could already be ended here, but it's very small compared to the wave 2 of the same degree. So we assume that something more complex could be really going on here, and that then ideally nice new opportunity for intraday traders maybe could occur after a drop towards 52 or retest of 53 region. Of course, invalidation level is at 46,000 because wave 4 must not retrace into territory of wave 1. But if we would already see, let's say, a break below 50,000, that's some kind of a bull bear line, and that's where actually things could complicate a little bit. So for Bitcoin, we either go higher or into wave C, as I said, or maybe even wave 3. And why I'm looking at this potential to be also wave 3 is because I respect the current price action. I cannot fight the trend if the current trend is still to the upside. So it's always for me important that I am open-minded, and I do not stick with my personal bias too much. I just have to listen to the market. And what I noticed here is that here in the first leg of recovery, notice that this recovery lasted 74 bars, okay, and we have seen a recovery of 88%. Well, here we are seeing a very nice and quite strong move to the upside so far, almost 50%, okay, from that swing low. But notice that based on time projection, we are still, let's say, 20% of that move of the 74 bars. So it looks like that there is very strong movement currently going on that could potentially spread to even higher prices. But as I said, the most important thing is that you observe currently the 4-hour price action and just remain on the bullish track while we are, let's say, above 50,000. I think that next dip could be limited on the downside. Also, now when Bitcoin is a potential intraday resistance, maybe it's good to look at Bitcoin dominance, and here we can see a very nice reversal to the downside. So it looks like that this market is now in a retracement here. So maybe it's time for some alt session here, and when I have this in mind, I definitely want to look at some clear patterns. And here we have, let's say, Dash, a very nice recovery out of this or above this trend line resistance, with 5 waves up for a wave A, and now you are consolidating for a wave B. So I think that there can be room for more upside towards former wave 4. In fact, I could even label this as a ABC drop, okay, and this whole pattern could be actually an ending diagonal for wave C, and this makes things even more bullish here on the short term. Okay, so as I said, I'm always open-minded, and even based on these two approaches, two different interpretations on Dash, I think that there is room for more upside while the market is holding these September lows. Also, if we take a look on Bitcoin Cash here, also very nice breakout of this above this trendline resistance, not channel. The previous drop can be counted with 5 waves, but even if we are now in a temporary corrective setback, it should still be made by 3 waves. And notice that this first leg was only one part of this 3-wave movement. So it's a wave A, and now you are in a wave B, which is already looking very corrective here. So watch out for potential supports around 5300 up to 560 area. That would be ideal zone for a potential bounce to the upside. Okay, so traders, it looks like that cryptocurrencies are in uptrend, but Bitcoin is moving into some very important resistance levels. So of course, some altcoins could continue higher, but you will have to be very selective. I think that the whole crypto game and current trend will change to new cycles, maybe sideways or bearish one, if we drop below 50,000 on Bitcoin. Okay, traders, thank you very much for attention, and talk to you soon. Bye.